Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this daily update on Bitcoin. Relatively normal update. I mean, the technical situation for Bitcoin right now is still the same. We're still in that area between 43,250 and then 41,500 or 42,000, kind of depending on what you think the main support is. So technically, we're still in that level, all right. Yesterday, obviously, we had some fundamentals with the Coinbase trial, but in the end, I mean, that also did not lead to anything major, as far as I know, and the market certainly did not react to that much. I mean, we had some big volatility right here in the afternoon, but apart from that, we're just respecting the technical structure, all right. So that means, and by the way, I mean, if you look at the open interest right here, it's been up and down as well, all right. So it's really at this market at this moment the market really is not doing anything. Well, it's doing something, but in terms of movement, I mean, Bitcoin's price movement right now, I mean, it's even worse than, for example, the start of January right here or right here, because back then we at least had altcoins moving. And right now, Bitcoin is not really moving. The Bitcoin dominance is slowly starting to creep up, which is not great for altcoins neither. So yeah, no, I think Bitcoin right here, if you just want to know what's going on at this moment, is we're consolidating. All right. Now, if you assume we're consolidating and we just hit the bottom of that consolidation around 42,000, and the open interest is showing somewhat of an increase, then you would also assume that on the short term, we can get some bullish momentum here up to the level around 43,300. So that's also what I expect. Yesterday, I think I said, which, look, in the end, and I've said this before, I mean, I'm basically repeating myself, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing these daily Bitcoin updates forever. But the thing is that right now we're really just waiting for a breakout either above 43,250 or below 41,500, because then we have somewhat of a confirmation of what direction Bitcoin is going to go in, and then we can assume some more things, and then we can actually work with that. But at this moment, I mean, it's uncertain, and what I've always said is that I expect, at least on the short term, I expect a little bit more recovery or bullish momentum up to the levels right here at 44,500. Because of fundamentals, I think the open interest in general is still fine. Bitcoin halving is coming up. There's enough to be bullish about. And just in general, if you assume we're going to be bearish in the longer term, so if you assume we're going to drop down to 40,000 and then down to 38,000, which I can definitely see that happening. But even if you assume that's the case, I would still think it's more likely that we'll get up to the 382 fib right here, and at 44,500, like I said, my main price target, and that from there we'll start falling. That seems more likely to me. All right, so that's what I expect. Of course, over the course of the day, we'll get a little bit more information. I do think it's pretty certain we'll get up to 43,300 here. And then from there, it kind of depends. I mean, if the open interest keeps increasing while we hit that level, then I think we can actually have some sort of a minor bullish breakout there. But if it starts decreasing immediately, then it's just going to provide resistance. We'll drop back down to the bottom, and at some point of time, we'll probably try again. All right, that's what you need to know for now on Bitcoin. There are no fundamentals I think you need to know about. No fundamentals in terms of economics. Anything. So no, if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.